Do you want to protect your account from accidental large trades on Olymp Trade? In this video, I will show you how to enable flood protection on Olymp Trade step by step so you can prevent big losses and trade more safely. So let's go to see how it works. The first thing you have to do is to go to Olymp Trade app. Then in this page, they will show you this first page here, so we click on this sign of profile on above profile, as you see. After that, in this page you will find settings, so we click on settings. In this window of settings, as you see here, you will find a window called trading platform, general trading platform. You will click here, and then in this page you will scrolling down until you find here fixed time, so you will find flat market protection. They said to you here, return my trade amount with no gain or loss if the opening and closing codes differ by 1 tick. So you will click here to enable this feature, and we click on enable, as you see here. So that's it. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.